Hey, welcome back to the channel. And guys, today I want to talk to you all about Cindicator. And Cindicator is a very interesting cryptocurrency token that's been out for several months now, but it's kind of been going under the radar a bit. But quite interesting. What Cindicator is it's a collective intelligence platform. So it's using artificial intelligence along with the decision-making process from just regular users like me, whether it's based on politics, stock market data, sports betting, all this valuable information is run against an algorithm or artificial intelligence system that basically creates a system to release worthwhile data to be used for applications. And in turn, as we contribute to next gen predictive analytics, and we share, they share the market vision, and we reap the reward. So in other words, the money that's being generated from this is distributed back to us. And one of the main products of Cindicator is going to be this trading bot that takes your predictions and couples that with the with their own algorithm, and when there are profits made from it, these are shared at the end of the month. So I find that all very interesting. There are many applications in the cryptocurrency space that we're still trying to find many new ways in our exploration of the space, and this is quite interesting to see another use of what can be done with this type of mix of polling data and AI technology, and at the same time using cryptocurrency coins to share that revenue with us. And the coin itself is doing pretty good, the Cindicator token. I believe it trades on Binance at the moment. I've just started using the platform today, but like I said, it's been out several months. And these are just some examples of right here of how this happens. You can see here it's asking a question about several countries that want to release its own cryptocurrency. And they want you to basically put the country and list the country that's going to launch first, right? And so sometimes they're asking questions more or less like, where do you feel the price of Bitcoin will be between this date and another date? Will it be above this price or below this price? So this is all very simple decision questions, binary questions, very simplified questions. Anybody can answer. So and it's all your opinion. So it's pretty much all that's gathered into this algorithm. So you don't have to be some type of super analyst or a person who knows a whole lot about anything. Just pretty much your opinion, and but it is good to focus on information. There are many questions in many areas. Like I said, it can range anywhere from sports betting to who's going to win the next election, right? But it's good to answer, to focus on the questions you are knowledgeable about, because the way that they calculate your rewards from using this application's token is by how close your accuracy is. So for instance, everything pretty much starts at 50%. If you say it's a 65% chance something's going to happen, they factor what percentage you're over that, right? So if you went 65, that would be like 15% over 50%. I know it's kind of difficult to kind of grasp it with just me talking about how it works, but it's really simple, guys. They have an algorithm that predicts just how close to being right you were percentage-wise. So again, anybody can do this. You can try the app for free. You can get these tokens on Binance as they have been performing well since their launch. If you're into trading crypto, or if you're into investing in crypto, if you're new to crypto and you're looking for various introductory sites into crypto, this is a good idea. This kind of reminds me of Steeming in a way, where you can get on, and the things that you do online and the information that you have is valuable to someone, and you can be compensated in the form of these tokens that can be traded for Ethereum, right? So these tokens are traded for, your rewards are actually calculated in Ethereum. So I find all that very interesting. Now, a lot of people like this coin, and I hear a lot of people talking about it and saying many positive things about it and what we're going to get with Cindicator. But the only drawback I can see to Cindicator, like one of its main products is pushing, is the trading bot, right? And basically, with all the compiled data of where we think the price of a crypto will be, the algorithm, the AI technology is going to take that, and it's going to give a prediction that you can use. And the only issue I have with the system so far is they do require that you hold, at least, it's kind of like a staking model, where if you hold just so many of their tokens, I believe they're like 20 cents a piece or something like that. I haven't looked lately, and so I could be 100% wrong on that. But I know the last time I checked, it was somewhere around you would need to hold about 1,000 tokens to be eligible for the trading software, which is going to make predictions on various, trading securities and funds and cryptocurrencies, right? And so I thought that was a bit expensive, $600. I think it would have been a little bit better, maybe to start at about $100 or something like that. And then the prices get even more ridiculous as you get to, other areas. During like certain packages, like you only get so many predictions. With a $600 package, you only get like, I think, one prediction a week. Then it jumps to something like a $25,000 package, where you can, pretty much have access to this data and all this bot. And I can see that being great for companies and things like that. But for the individual, probably not going to be practical, and people probably aren't going to be investing that kind of money. But people will be still probably speculating with the token. And again, you're getting paid for your data, right? Your polling data. So I see there's going to be value in this token. I think the model of how it's going to generate revenue and how it's going to be valuable is an excellent idea. I don't see any flaws in this whatsoever, other than its marketing and the prices of its packages. I think they could have still did all this with a more reasonable package price, and then maybe making something, some special deals for bigger companies, to maybe some more like some staff that can assist them directly with different things, or various things like that. But anyway, I think it's a great idea, guys. I will be not only probably investing in this, but I've already started working here on the site, answering several questions a day. And as I understand it, these if you're depend on the percentages in the rewards pool and the percentages of questions you get right and how accurate you are, I believe about the first day of every month they're going to pay you in these tokens that can be sold for Ethereum. So I think that sounds great, guys. Like I said, a lot of people are interested in Cindicator, and I'm definitely going to be holding it. This is not financial advice, of course, guys. You definitely want to do all your due diligence and research on, every token in the cryptocurrency space. This is a highly volatile market, and, who knows what's going to happen from one day to the next. But I can tell you that some coins have great products behind them. That's what you want to look for. Something that has a really good use case, something that's valuable to someone. And this kind of data is definitely valuable. And this is something that's using public opinion and coupling that with AI technology, not just for collecting important poll data, but also for curing diseases, and various things like that has become quite commonplace. There are a lot of different softwares now experimenting with using the public to address several issues coupled with AI technology that work in unison together. And so this is what's happening right now, and it's very interesting, and it's very valuable technology. So guys, that's all I wanted to say about Cindicator. I will be looking into Cindicator more in the future, get more information, and telling you guys about my results on Cindicator, like what have I made, how's the token perform, because I really do like the concept of Cindicator. Guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, take care.